नमस्ते व्यूअर्स, मैं वैशाली सिंघल आपका स्वागत करती हूँ हैप्पी हैप्पी घर में। आज के Q&A सीरीज में हम बात करने जा रहे हैं ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग के बारे में। दोस्तों, इस पैंडेमिक में ऑनलाइन शॉपर्स की संख्या बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई है। इसमें कुछ लोग ऐसे भी हैं जिन्होंने कभी ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग की ही नहीं थी, लेकिन सब आज ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग की तरफ बहुत तेज़ी से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। जो लोग पहले से ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करते थे, उनमें से भी लोग ऐसे हैं जिन्हें बेसिक्स ऑफ ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग नहीं पता। ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग के लिए वेबसाइट्स कौन सी अच्छी हैं, प्रोडक्ट्स कौन से अच्छे हैं, कैसे चूज़ करने चाहिए। तो इन्हीं सब बातों को करने के लिए हमारा ये आज का सेशन है, और इस पर चर्चा करने के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़ने वाली हैं मिसेस खुशनुमा मुंबई से। आप इन्हें पहले से जानते हैं क्योंकि हमने अपना पहला सेशन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के ऊपर इनके साथ किया था। उस उस सेशन की रिव्यूज़ बहुत अच्छे आए थे। ये मैम ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग में भी बहुत एक्सपर्ट हैं। ये प्रोडक्ट रिव्यूज़ भी करती हैं और ये लोगों को ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग के लिए गाइड भी करती हैं। तो आइए इनके एक्सपीरियंस से हम भी अपना नॉलेज बढ़ाते हैं। हैप्पी घर, वी आर सो हैप्पी टू हैव यू अगेन वन मोर टाइम।
Hi Vaishali, glad to see you again today.
Yeah. So, ma'am, today, as you know that we are going to discuss about online shopping. तो मेरा आज का पहला सवाल है कि why are more people going towards online shopping these days?
I am the one who only relies on online shopping. I don't know why, but I have really gone like crazy addictive towards it.
Mhm.
First, I think the main thing is that it is very convenient.
Okay, right.
वो बहुत convenient रहता है लोगों के लिए. मॉल जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, टाइम नहीं वेस्ट करना पड़ता.
Right.
There are people who are working, they don't have time. Then only on weekends it is possible to go to the malls or to the stores or anything. So this is like you are sitting in the comfort of your house. You are sitting anywhere. Something just drops in your head. दिमाग में कुछ भी आ जाता है और अच्छा ये लेने का है, अच्छा वो लेने का है. So for me, like, and for most of the people, it's just like you are on the fingertips. Whatever you want, you type and you get it. It has become so easy, and plus there are variety of brands, Vaishali. If you go to suppose a lifestyle or you go to Pantaloons or something, at the most you will find say 20 brands over there.
Right.
If you sit online for shopping and if you will just type kurta, खाली आप type करोगे सलवार कुर्ता, तो सलवार कुर्ता में भी आपको इतने options मिलेंगे, like ready to stitch, ready, then fabrics, दुपट्टास अलग, कुर्तास अलग. You literally go crazy. आप ये भूल जाते हैं कि आपको चाहिए क्या, आप क्या लेना चाहोगे. So it is very easy. Plus you get options. There are from local, from Indian market, from the local markets, then luxury, international, every damn thing. There are international brands also who have entered the Indian market. You just have to pay the shipping cost. You just have to bear that. आपको shipping cost जो भी उनका होता है, वो आप bear कर लीजिए, थोड़ा GST pay कर लीजिए, and you get that. So it's not that, okay, something is available in the US market and you don't get it here. You can get that also over here. अब वो जमाना रहा ही नहीं कि अब हमें अगर traveling करते हैं तो ही कुछ मिलता है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Sitting at home, you order, you get it delivered. Another thing is, you know how they function? They function it so well. Like when you place the order, immediately they send you a text, that is an SMS. Now they have started with the WhatsApp also. So they do that. Then email comes to your registered mobile number. Sorry, to your registered email ID. After that, the moment the merchandise, your order is ready to be shipped, they may give you a text regarding that. It is order or to be shipped. Then they will send you a message saying it is handed over to the courier partner. Right. Then after logistics received, they give you back the feedback. So for every damn step, you get to know where your parcel is.
So basically you can track your delivery that way.
Yes, you can. They have that thing. You can track your delivery. You can call your this courier partner also, whoever it is, because they give you their contact number also. Plus, when the delivery is out, they give you the name of the delivery guy mentioned in it,
Right.
his phone number. So suppose he's the timings are mentioned that he's going to come at 5 in the evening, 5 p.m. today. You are not at home available.
Yeah.
So you can call him and say, okay, I'm not available at this hour. At what time would it convenient for you to come back again? आप फोन करके उनको पूछ सकते हैं, हम घर पे आज नहीं है, अब वापस आ सकते हैं, ये इतने बजे, they do it.
Right.
If it is a COD order, you need to be present. If it's not a COD order, it's a prepaid order, वो आपके security के gate को छोड़ के जाएगा. And then even they will mention therein, handed it over to your security person.
Right.
Or if you mention it that you want it to be given it to your neighbor or something, वो भी हो जाएगा. Plus discounts कितने हैं वैशाली?
Amazing discounts.
वो discounts, amazing discounts, वो discounts जो आपको कभी नहीं मिलेंगे stores पे, कभी नहीं is the word I'm telling you. The discounts which will never be available in the store or in the malls, those discounts are available online. So why not we do that?
Right.
I am such a person, I sometimes go to hang out at the mall, just do the window shopping. Then I look out at all the stuff that I like.
Right.
And I have this habit that unless and until I don't have an emergency to pick it up right then, I will wait. So over there, I take a seat at the coffee shop.
Right.
I will sit on whatever the apps are there, all these online portals like Myntra, Nykaa, whatever. I will type in there and I try and keep. So when I see, okay, this is my size and this is available, why would I buy it from here? There are certain things which you get flat 50% off. Why wouldn't I buy it from online? Why would I pay the full amount? Plus they give you return period of 15 days, 20 days, 30 days.
Yeah, absolutely. Which is a
sometimes
great
क्या
thing.
होता है हम लोग sometimes क्या होता है हम लोग Jiffy में या in just we buy it from the impulsive buyer. There are many impulsive buyers. You just pick it and then coming home after 2 days or something you realize, oh shit, now you don't want it. Now you don't like it. तो आप क्या करोगे? There are certain stores like Zara, Marks and Spencer, H&M. They have this facility. They have given the facility of giving you the cashback.
Right.
बाकी stores, they don't give you the cashback. वो लोग क्या देते? वो लोग आपको एक credit coupon देते. पर आपका amount तो jam हो गया ना उधर. Your amount is gone. Your money is fixed in that. So, and unless and until you don't buy another product or merchandise from that store, you are gone. So here, when they give you the 30 days period, you check it over that period. You be satisfied. You wear it every damn day and see whether you like it or not. You don't like it at the end of the 30 days or whenever in this interim period you don't like it, you tell them in the app itself, they give you the order in which you have to return also. So you have to, the procedure is that it's very simple or everything is mentioned. You give them the reason for why you want to return. And then they have the best is they have the reverse pickup. तो वो भी तकलीफ हमें नहीं लेनी पड़ती कि कुरियर करने के लिए. वो उनका ही आदमी आके आपके घर से लेके जाएगा, आपको रिसीप्ट दे के जाएगा. So it is very well safe.
Right.
And then there are two options that they give you. Whether you want to take that amount as a store credit or whether you want to take it as a bank refund.
Okay.
कुछ लोग बैंक रिफंड नहीं लेना चाहते because they don't want to part with their account details and all.
Okay.
And then there is the store credit also. If you are buying regularly from Amazon or something, for me, I don't really go for bank credit because I know that I have to buy off and on from this online portals. And if you will take the store credit, they credit your amount in less than 24 hours.
Right. Great. Yeah.
So, and then that credit also, you can use, the period is 1 year.
Okay. That's good to know.
So that is so convenient. Yes. On Amazon, I'm a very good reader, avid reader. So I like to buy books only from Amazon now.
Okay.
The prices of the books are increasing. Like 700, 800, 900. And I am somebody that if I want, I want. Earlier, I used to pay going to the Crosswords or anywhere. But now, Amazon is the best to buy the books.
Right.
At times they deliver you in less than 24 hours. I place the order at night, and in morning I get the product in my hand.
Right.
So this is very good. Then there is this Agio. It is by Reliance.
Okay.
Over there, they always have some or the other schemes going on. For example, if you buy a merchandise a total of 3,000, flat 1,000 rupees is off.
Mm-hmm.
So isn't that beautiful? Wouldn't you go for that?
It is. It
आप
is.
3,000 का बिलिंग करो और 1,000 रुपये कंप्लीटली ऑफ करो. ऐसा नहीं कि स्टोर्स में क्या होता है, आप अभी लो 3,000 का, आपको एक कूपन देंगे जो आप बाद में आके कभी भी कोई प्रोडक्ट पे डिस्काउंट वापस ले सकते. ऐसा नहीं है इधर. आपको इमीडिएटली ही 1,000 रुपीज लेस मिल जाते हैं.
Right.
And it is convenient for everybody. Today earlier it was in metro. Today it has online shopping, online Amazon, and everybody. They have reached to every small city. They are reaching to the interiors also.
Right.
Everything is available in one, like why you go to one store and you pick up, it is like that. बैठे बैठे सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. बुक्स मिल जाएगी, कपड़े मिल जाएंगे, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मिल जाएंगे, मेकअप मिल जाएगा, घर की क्रॉकरीज मिल जाएगी, फर्नीचर भी मिल जाएगा.
Right. You think and you have it like that.
You think and you have it, yeah. At times at night when I don't get sleep, I have this habit of going onto this online portals and checking if there is some discount. They give you midnight discounts. The midnight discounts are more than the discounts they provide you in the day.
Oh,
They
really?
give you 1 hour, like, yeah, they give you like 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. you will get so and so discount. Isn't that, I mean, I always go for all this.
Oh, okay. That's good. Yeah.
Yeah, so it is good. Another thing is always that the convenient, another thing that you get to know also lot of things.
Right.
You might not be aware. That day I never knew that you get a small instrument type of a thing, which is for the kitchen to smash garlic.
Okay.
So you just peel the garlic. Oh, अच्छा, garlic peel off के लिए भी आता है. You just put the garlic in it, it gets peeled off and it comes out.
Wow.
And then वो छोटा सा चीज आता है, वो garlic को आप ऐसे mash कर, just एक बार दबाओ, garlic mash हो जाता है.
Wow.
So you go to buy something else, you get to see all these options, and that is the best thing.
Yeah.
So all these things makes online shopping very, very convenient.
Okay. Okay. So, ma'am, what allures people to shop online? What is so much alluring?
First, I would say is the discount,
Okay.
the prices. See, we are all very much into the prices.
Right.
If somebody is getting something as half the cost, why wouldn't you go for it?
Absolutely.
Why wouldn't you go for it? Malls mein, stores mein, like 2 mahine ke baad, like, you know, every 2-3 seasons that they provide you the sale. Here, the discounts are always there. Today in morning it is different. Tomorrow it is different. After 2 hours, the price would be different.
Yes.
And because of this return exchange policy, what happens? Somebody has returned the product. Now, since almost 15 days, I was into one dress.
Okay.
And I always used to see, I desperately want that dress. It's not available in any store. And it was sold off online also. So every day I would go and I would check it. Now, last night, I found that again of my size, and I immediately, without wasting my time, I ordered it.
Right.
That dress I got at 60% off.
Wow.
60% off was the price, plus they mentioned there for that period kuch aur discount chal raha tha. So they gave me 360 rupees less more.
Wow.
A dress of 8,000 rupees, if you calculate how much do I get in. So isn't that wonderful thing?
Yeah,
This
it
is
is.
more which allures. It just saves your time also, Vaishali. It saves your time so much.
Right.
The prices are the main thing while people are going towards online shopping. And I think there is nothing wrong in it.
Yeah, of course.
Because when you get all these facilities of return, exchange, reverse pickup, why not?
Hassle-free.
Refund.
Right.
Yes. Yeah, refund takes time. At times it comes to you in 2 days. At times it will take you 7-8 days also. But it comes. It comes. You have to work upon it little. At times you have to give them a call. You have to say, please escalate our matter. आपको बोलना पड़ता है. प्लीज ये थोड़ा हमारा पैसा अटक गया है, प्लीज आप एस्केलेट कर दीजिए, they will oblige you, they will do it.
Okay. So, what are the pros and cons of online shopping? फायदे भी हैं तो कुछ तो नुकसान भी होंगे ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करने के.
डेफिनेटली ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग के नुकसान भी है और फायदे भी है. मैं दोनों चीज में लाइक आई एम इक्वली दिस थिंग इन इट. Pros is as I फायदे क्या होते हैं, जैसे told you the cost, the variety. You don't get like Cooves is a brand. It is I think a UK brand, London brand or something. They have such stylish.
Can you spell it? Cooves.
Cooves, K-O-O-V-S.
Okay.
Then there is Urbanic, U-R-B-A-N-I-C.
Okay.
This two have such trendy clothes that you will not find any of them here in the market. You will never find them.
Okay.
So that is one thing, that you get variety. If you want a dress for a party, mall में कितनी दुकानें होंगी आपके पास? 4, 5, 10. उसके बाद तो नहीं होगा.
Right.
और इधर आपको कितनी मिलेंगी? I bet you will not find anything less than 50. Plus variety of sizes. There are sizes right from small till 3XL, 4XL. This is all, you can say these are all the benefits. These are all the advantages of it. अगर आपको मॉल में चीज वापस करनी हो तो आपको खुद मेहनत करके जाना पड़ेगा.
Right.
This saves your time. Just click, reverse pickup. It gets reverse pickup and you are done.
Okay. Yeah.
Or ghairfayde, what you say, disadvantage is also there. Like today everybody is aware about the cyber crimes.
Right.
Cyber fraud बहुत होता है.
Right.
और आप आए दिन हम लोग न्यूज़पेपर्स में पढ़ते रहते हैं आर्टिकल्स कि इनके क्रेडिट कार्ड से इनके डेबिट का इतना अमाउंट हैकर ने ये कर लिया, वो कर लिया. So that one disadvantage is always going to be there.
Right.
Because today the world has become such. वैसे तो देखा जाए तो अपना फोन भी कोई सेफ नहीं है. अपने फोन पे हर एक चीज आज everything is open. कोई कुछ भी कर सकता है. The cyber crime has become too extensive. It has become too dense.
Yeah.
So that is one thing. आप अपने जो suppose if you are buying, there are many people who are going to office who don't have anybody to take the delivery. तो वो COD cash on delivery नहीं करेंगे. They do prepaid orders. And in that prepaid orders, कभी-कभी ये लोग अपना क्रेडिट कार्ड का डिटेल्स या डेबिट कार्ड का डिटेल्स जो भी हम लोग अकाउंट डालते हैं वो एक मिसयूज होने का चांस रहता है. और कभी-कभी ये लोग क्या रहते हैं, I have seen it many times with the delivery guys also.
Yeah.
जब उनको ये रहता है कि ये प्रीपेड है, उनको खाली रख के आ जाने का है, they just have to deliver to your doorstep. What they do is they will not deliver you at times for 2-3 days. Message आ जाता है. It happened with me in January.
Okay.
I had bought shoes from Skechers from Agio. The message came to me that it is delivered because it was a prepaid order. So I thought maybe I was not available. They could have dropped it at the security gate of my apartment. I went and checked. There was nothing. I contacted the delivery guy. He did not answer my call. And then I had to raise a complaint to the Agio. And they said, okay, we'll look into it. So after 2 days, that guy got the parcel along with the parcel, which was COD. जब मैंने उनको पूछा कि आपने ऐसा गलत क्यों किया, तो उन्होंने मुझे एक फैंटास्टिक रिप्लाई दिया. ये भी तो 2 दिन के बाद ही आने वाला था, तो मैंने सोचा साथ में ही लेके आऊं. But for that 2 days, for those 2 days, अपना तो इधर तक आ जाता है ना. You have paid, so you never know where is it gone, where is it lost. It's like that.
Right.
And सबसे ज्यादा today in this 3 months pandemic के बाद, sorry, in this pandemic, जब से ये थोड़ा lockdown खुला है, there are so many people who are opting for it. Some for the necessities, people for me for the books. And then यार हम सब humans हैं. थोड़ा तो कुछ shopping की अपने को आदत है. You want something, just you can see a feel good factor.
Right. Just for change, just to feel better.
Just for the change, just to feel better. Like my domestic help. That day she told me, दीदी मेरे पास पुराने कपड़े हो गए हैं, मुझे नए कपड़े चाहिए, बाहर तो नहीं जा सकते. So okay, so there are many cons in this. Sorry, there are many pros in it. The cons are also there. What you have to do is you just have to take a chance. कभी कभी होता है, कभी कभी नहीं भी हो सकता है. This is what happens. The only thing I would say is better it is if you go for COD, cash on delivery, pay on delivery. Pay on delivery में क्या होता है, अभी ये लोगों ने like Google Pay या Paytm वो सब चालू किया है. तो when the delivery guys comes to your door, आप वो स्कैनिंग करके अपने Paytm से या Google Pay से कर सकते. So that is also easy. Means you are at least assured कि प्रोडक्ट आपके पास आता है, उसके बाद आप पे करते हो. पर उसमें भी वापस आपके अगर नसीब खराब हो या किसी की मिस्टेक हो, तो उसमें भी ये हो सकता है. Because at me 2-3 times or a little more also I can say, I don't remember, but the product which I have ordered and what I have received are two different things.
Okay, yeah.
So immediately what happens, so immediately without wasting time, if I have time or after some time, because what happens is that after it gets delivered to us, the message should come to us. Because unless and until the SMS from the online portal doesn't reach us, like Myntra or Amazon, that so and so has been delivered, उनके यहाँ register नहीं होता है कि वो parcel अपना deliver हो गया. So the moment it is delivered to me, it shows, the SMS shows that it's delivered to me. I immediately place a call and I tell them, you have to do a little formalities like barcode क्या है. अगर there are some people who will easily do it for you. Okay, fine, ठीक है, हम reverse pickup करा देते. There are some who will want you to take the pictures of it and email it to them. They will give you the resolution within next 48 hours. थोड़ा कभी-कभी inconvenient रहता है. Otherwise it's fine. See, अगर आप बाहर भी लेने जाएंगे, तो थोड़ा तो inconvenient किसी भी चीज में रहता ही है.
Right.
So they are always in life we always have this pros and cons of everything is there. So in this also, कभी-कभी मैं सोच लेती हूँ इसके बाद मुझे नहीं करने का है shopping. But then when I see something and I look at the price, my eyes pop up. And like, no, yeah, forget what I had decided. Now I want it.
Yeah, so that is also a sort of disadvantage only. You end up spending more rather than
exactly. I completely agree with you. You spend up not wanting what you have, but wanting more than it. But उसमें disadvantage इतने भी नहीं होते, I feel. क्योंकि कभी-कभी हम घर की चीजें ही मंगा लेते हैं. आज नहीं तो कभी कल तो जरूरत पड़ेगी ही. या फिर अपने लिए कुछ मंगा लेते हैं, शायद आज नहीं पहनेंगे, एक महीने के बाद पहनेंगे. और अगर ये बीच में रिटर्न पीरियड में आपको नहीं अच्छा लगा, आप रिटर्न कर दो. You send it back.
जब आपकी फीलिंग काम डाउन हो जाती है कि I think we can return it back, तो आप you can send it.
I am less of that. I am less of that. I am not a very impulsive person. I'm not an impulsive buyer also. I will think over it. I will keep all the stuff in my cart. I will go on checking it. And you know what? They will even show you how many pieces are left.
Right, it does.
If a dress is there, it shows, okay, 5 pieces, 2 pieces, 1 piece. And the moment if I am completely into that dress, and if I feel abhi ek hi baki hai, okay, that very moment it's in your cart, just punch it like, and you are done.
Done.
Finished.
Yeah.
And there are certain brands which are only available online. कभी नाम भी नहीं सुने होंगे आप लोगों ने. वो बाहर नहीं मिलते, वो खाली ऑनलाइन पे ही मिलते हैं. So that is good.
They don't have retail stores as such.
No, they don't have retail stores. And it is so much helpful to a young entrepreneur who is just new in the market, who cannot afford to have his own store or who cannot afford to have his own online portal. He deals with these people and it gets so easy for him.
Right. Okay. So in all this buying online thing, what is the sense of satisfaction when you buy online and the difference when you buy from market? So I want to know that sense of satisfaction.
There are two parts in that also. Okay. At times when you want to buy something you want it that very minute,
Hmm.
right? That very time. You don't
Right.
want to wait. So if you order online, तो
Hmm.
वो immediate satisfaction आएगा नहीं.
Hmm.
You can go to the store, you can purchase it, you can go to the mall and immediately get it.
Right.
That immediate satisfaction आपको नहीं मिलता. But उसके साथ एक दूसरा satisfaction तो मिलता है ना, वो discount का. वो
Right.
सबसे बड़ा satisfaction रहता है ना.
Right. You
Today
end up
discount
saving.
is like what in India, discount and sale. ये दो word लगा दो, फिर देखो कैसे sale होता है.
Right.
So that is one. Then there are many people who want to feel the fabric,
Hmm.
who want to feel the things before buying. Like there is one
Right.
friend of mine,
Hmm.
she would never in her life buy online.
Okay.
Never. She says,
Mhm.
no, even if you give me 50%, 60%, 70% discount, मैं online buy नहीं करूँगी. Because unless and until I don't, that means she doesn't feel the fabric of the clothing, she's not satisfied.
Hmm.
But for me now, I know what fabrics are which fabrics I like, which suits my body, which suits my personality.
Right.
Because there are people who are not aware about it. Many people.
Right.
Product description, हर एक product के नीचे online में मिलता है.
Hmm.
Right from the size chart, which makes things very easy for you.
Right.
Size chart होता है. उसके बाद होता है product description. मतलब किधर क्या है. It is belted for a dress or it is collar. Then उसके बाद कौन सा fabric है उसको भी mention किया जाता है. Length mention की जाती है.
Every detail is there.
Yes, if you're buying a large size, what would be the length? If you're buying a small size, what would be the length? Every small detail is mentioned therein.
Right.
So it's fine. I don't feel that I don't get the satisfaction. I do get the satisfaction. I'm very much fine with it.
Yeah.
I do many times, even with the cosmetics, I would say. Because this Nykaa is one place where you get almost all the brands. And they are just absolutely fantastic. And they are trustworthy to the core.
Okay. Okay.
First, they started with just the cosmetics. Then they started with Nykaa fashions also. In fashions, they have so lovely brands, you can't imagine even.
Okay.
And Nykaa is such that even as the same thing as clothing, if you are, if they find you a genuine customer, if they find you that you are a client who is genuine, and at times you don't get the satisfaction after ordering a lipstick or a nail polish, you feel, no, yeah, this is not the color that I wanted. Because at times the product description and the color shade, it varies.
Yeah, it does.
It does. But then you can again call back to them. You can again send them the photos that they ask you for. They will ask you the reason and you tell them that, no, this is not the color that I was looking for. What you showed in the website is different from what it is. And they do it for you. Trust me, Nykaa does that, which nobody does it. And it is so lovely that there are certain brands who are exclusively getting stuff only for Nykaa.
Okay. Okay.
So it is very good. These people are to be trusted to the core and they give you wonderful service.
Right.
So what more do you need?
Good players in online shopping.
Now, definitely, if you will go to any cosmetic store to buy a beauty product, they are not going to take it back.
Yes,
they will never take it back. No, no exchange, no return, nothing. While as these people do it, they do it. So again, here also there is advantage of it.
Okay. So, ma'am, how convenient is it to buy online? You already said, answered that in smaller ways, but still, if you want to elaborate more about this question, how convenient is it to buy stuff online?
See, it is very convenient. You just need to be a little tech savvy. और आपको ये होना चाहिए कि आपको लेना है, आपको देखने का है. Unless and until you don't have that feel, it is not possible. And you always, I would say to such people, always go for COD.
Right.
It's the best thing because you always feel नहीं पैसे कोई अंदर से ये हो गया तो अगर bank details, so don't share your bank details ना. There are chances, 100% chances I'm saying. Today anything is possible in this current scenario or in the world that we are living. So why not do COD?
Right.
And convenient, as I said, the size chart is mentioned. Everything is mentioned. You know, for the foot also, for the footwear also, they give you the size chart. They provide you European, Indian, UK, US, all the sizes also.
Right. They do. Yeah.
They do that.
It is
So it
very
is
convenient.
very, very convenient. It is extremely convenient. It is extremely convenient.
Right.
But then you have to be careful. That is always there in everything.
Yeah. Right. So, ma'am, on what basis should a person choose a product is buying online? Any criteria for choosing a product?
That depends upon his wants. What does he want? That also depends upon his spending capacity, his spending power that we say.
Right.
His needs, what occasion you want to wear it. Because if you will go there, they will give you all the separate sections are there. Like you want casual, you want party, you want evening, you want lounge wear, there is night wear. So again over there you just go and type party wear, and you know it is so easy. अगर 200 dresses है तो आपको 200 dresses scroll नहीं करने हैं. There are so many filters in it. Okay, dress, you want, type in the dress. You get 200, suppose you get 200 options in that. In options there will be आपको कौन सी size का चाहिए. You definitely know your size. Right. So you select the size. Okay. Then आपको कौन सी type की sleeves चाहिए. Sleeveless, full sleeves, half sleeves. तो वो आप select कर लीजिए. आपका color select कर लीजिए जितने colors चाहिए. Print select कर दीजिए. Plain चाहिए, printed चाहिए, fabric, sleeve length. Everything is there. So for buying one dress, if you only looking for a black, out of 200, 100 are options for you, and I'm sure out of 100 you're definitely going to like one.
Right. Good options.
So it is good options, and they have made it very convenient, very convenient, very absolutely convenient.
Okay. So
you don't go for online shopping, Vaishali? Sorry, I'm interrupting you.
No, I do, but not as much as you. Maybe I do sometimes. Maybe this lockdown
and what
has.
Do you take?
Actually,
and what do you buy?
Like I was, as far as the clothing shopping is concerned, I don't buy much online, to be very true. But then, yeah, the scenario is changing in my mind too, as I listen to you. And yes, it depends. Not much, but yeah, my husband does a lot of online shopping though. He,
because this office stuff and all this electronics and all
everything
these things are so easily everything.
Yeah, we just bought a Lenovo laptop. We ordered it online. We have our electronic items, like we bought AC and our television, everything we have bought online itself. And he is more into shopping stuff, so he does this lot of online shopping, but I'm not much into it.
Yeah, and even I am into online, but I do proper thorough research, R&D I do, and then I buy. That day I was looking for a product, like a cosmetic product I was looking for. And I didn't know on which website it would be available. So when I typed into the Google, I think Google, there is nothing better than Google. How are we living before Google? I don't know.
Yeah.
I just typed in Google and I got to know there is one full app, there is one full website, which is called Influenster. Okay. Where shopping is there, you can buy, but more than then, people like you and me, whoever, are into online shopping, they review their products. It is only meant for reviewing.
Okay. Can you say the name of the website again? Can you say the name?
It's Influenster. Influenster.
Okay. Influenster. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So you just go and, okay, you want to buy a lip color and you are not sure about what that new brand is. If you will type it, you will get at least 6-7 people writing the reviews over there. That, okay, this is good, this is not good. So you get to know whether the thing that you want, the brand that you want to go for is good for you or not. So all these are also there. I'm seeing in this lockdown period, when I was free and I was doing this, and do a lot into online R&D for a lot of things. There are so many things, there are so many websites that I got to know about it. Who are into reviews, telling you
support system for online shopping, basically. Like if
yes,
you want to,
it is the big support system. Yes.
Yeah.
I don't remember, but something from Well was there, WELL, Well, something was there, which I just saw yesterday. Again, it was just only the reviews, nothing else. It was only the reviews of various brands.
Okay.
That makes it so convenient. And Amazon तो अपना एक जैसे घर की दुकान जैसे हो गया है.
Right.
Now तो they are sending you groceries.
हाँ.
In Bombay city and the vicinity where I am here, they are even doing vegetables. They are
Yes.
sending milk.
Wow.
They are sending ice creams. What more do you want?
Right.
Plus, there is this Amazon Pay Balance. So, उसमें से ही जाता रहता है. आपको मगजमारी करने की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ती.
Pay every day or something, you have a balance and it gets deducted.
You have a balance, yeah. So whenever in Amazon, definitely, if I have to return something, I never take back the amount in my bank. I don't take the refund that way. I always take it in the Amazon Pay Balance. So my amount is there, and in the second, I can order something and I can get it.
Right. Okay. So, apart from this, ma'am, what precautions one should take while a person is shopping online? Does he need to be much precautious?
This is a very important question that you have raised, Vaishali, because 2 weeks back, in my own family, somebody encountered with a very fraudulent this online shopping. I don't know from where my family member got hold of it. I think from Facebook or Instagram, they go on putting their ads.
Right.
So from that, he liked some particular shirts. He ordered it, though it was COD. Okay. Very happy to receive the COD products. Opening upon the packet, it was nothing but a disaster. Number one, we did not receive what we had ordered. Number two, you should have seen the size of those shirts. I don't think even a 5-year-old can wear that. Itne kapde. So over there, the mistake which my family member did was, he did not check about the details of this website from whoever he ordered. So whenever I am ordering from any new online portal, first of all, they provide you the description, about us is mentioned. So you go to about us, then it is mentioned there, contact us, then the refund, return, everything is mentioned. So what I do is, if they have not provided me the contact number there in the website, I send them an email. I always call them to ask, number one, what is your return exchange policy? That I want to know. For how many days? Second, what is the refund policy? There are certain websites, they say we don't provide you the refund amount to you. We will keep it as a store credit. Means aapke paise to udhar jam ho gaye. And if it's something very new, then you have to keep in mind कि अगर ये order किया है, ये वापस जा रहा है, तो उसके बदले में आप क्या लोगे? ताकि आपका पैसा जमा हुआ है जो उधर आप वसूल सको. So always, I would tell everybody who is watching this video, please, before going on any new website to purchase, check into their credentials, see where are they from. It will be, everything will be mentioned there. And please take a moment to call them and ask them. I always do that. Always means always. Without contact. So I have never faced this in my life.
Little R&D
and
on
now
our part.
Yes, it takes you 5-10 minutes or 15 minutes, nothing more than that. Or a day. If there's an email, they will definitely reply you back. So this person who supplied the wrong products, we are not able to trace him anywhere. Because the mistake done by this person who ordered is, he never looked into any of it. He just placed order blindly. There was no contact number. There is no email ID where you can contact him. So वो 1500 रुपए हमारे गए. There is nowhere you can contact it. So all these things are to be taken care of. And you always have to, I would say, that is what I feel one should do, and I do it. If I'm doing a prepaid, whether it is a credit card or a debit card, I always select that card which has the least balance.
Okay. It's a good piece of
Yeah,
advice.
this is what one has to do. Yes, this is a very good piece of advice I'm giving you. So keep that card with the minimal balance. Like if your shopping is going to be of 1,000, 2,000 rupees, 3,000 रखिए उसमें. This is for those who are not into online shopping.
Okay.
मैं ऐसे ही करती हूँ. If I am doing a prepaid, मैं मेरा एक अकाउंट ऐसा रखती हूँ जिसमें खाली लिमिटेड अमाउंट हो.
Okay.
अगर कोई फ्रॉड करना चाहे तो भी उधर से कुछ नहीं मिलेगा.
Wow. Yeah, amazing.
कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा. 100-200 रुपये रहेंगे शायद. I always do that. So I have never faced this. Never. Okay. That is what I would want to tell you. Either you keep it COD or you do this. Credit card, debit card, कुछ भी आप use करिए. पर एक ये चीज एक कार्ड ऐसा रखिए जिसमें बैलेंस मिनिमल हो और हमेशा एक कार्ड को मत यूज कीजिए. Don't use one card repetitively.
Okay. That's
so that
important.
at times the cyber frauds which are happening वो एक कार्ड पे शायद because lot is happening.
Right.
Lot is happening. So it is risky, but it is not that risky also if you take care about it. और COD options जहाँ रहते हैं वहाँ तो problem आएगा ही नहीं.
Right. Yeah. So, ma'am, my last question to you for today is, can you suggest some good websites which our viewers can go to their shopping, best shopping that they can have? So please suggest some good websites for shopping.
See, there are different categories I will tell you, and which I generally use. I will give you about that. Number one will come Amazon.
Absolutely.
And they have very good system. Plus their customer care is super best.
Okay.
Yeah. They are very good. Trust me, they are really very good. They provide you solutions very quickly and they will help you with everything. So Amazon is one. Amazon पे आपको क्या नहीं मिलता है? मेरा तो like sometimes my family members tell me that why don't you start Amazon here only? मंगा के इधर पे बेचो.
Right.
Yeah, because see, I am into books. I need lot of books. So Amazon से आती ही रहती है books से मेरी. Then as I told you, they have started groceries, which is called Amazon Pantry. Then there is Amazon Fresh. And see, there are Amazon का दूसरा एक advantage ये है कि अगर आप 100 रुपये की भी चीज मंगाती हो ना, वो लोग उस पे सर्विस चार्ज नहीं लेंगे या शिपिंग चार्ज कि उनका ऐसा नहीं रहता कि मिनिमम इतना कार्ट होना चाहिए तो आपका शिपिंग कार्ड अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. वो 100 रुपये का भी चीज आपको बेच सकते हैं. आप 50 रुपये का बोलो तो 50 रुपये का भी बेच सकते हैं. So one is Amazon. If you are really into clothing and all, then there is Myntra, Nykaa Fashions, there is Tata Click, there is Tata Click Luxury. Tata Click Luxury has awesome stuff.
Okay.
They have got so many luxury brands also. Okay. And they are very trustworthy. Even Myntra, they have got amazing stuff. Then there is Cooves, as I said, Urbanic. Then there was this one Shein. Of course, वो एक China का ऐप था और China से ये था. But it was so trendy and so sasta, you can't imagine even. The last that I saw, and I was about to order before this lockdown and before all this mass happened in everywhere, was one anklet. एक छोटा सा पायल था. खाली एक shell था. It was so cute. आप guess भी नहीं कर सकते वो चीज कितने रुपए में मिलती होगी. It was available at 20 rupees.
Wow.
It was available at 20 rupees. So Shein एक ऐसा था. Then there are many things. Even आप ये क्या बोलते हैं Amazon या कोई भी ये सब चीजें में भी एक और ऑप्शन भी मिलता है फिल्टर का. वो होता है अमाउंट. आप अपना अमाउंट भी उधर टाइप कर सकते हैं फिल्टर में कि आपको कितने तक का चाहिए. So the trustworthy brands, coming back to the topic, is Amazon, Myntra, then Nykaa Fashions, Nykaa, Ajio. Ajio is by Reliance. Then Cooves, NN Now, which is Arvind Lifestyle. They are really good. Okay. Urbanic is good. Urbanic is European, but they are absolutely fantastic. No cheating, nothing. Even
Okay.
they do reverse pickup.
Okay.
So these are a few which I always stick upon. And as I said, if I'm going towards something new, then it has to be a little R&D.
Yeah, it's very
And
important.
then I will also, there are people who write there. So you have to
Okay.
read the reviews also about the sellers.
Hmm.
सबसे खराब और सबसे बुरा एक्सपीरियंस जो मेरा हुआ है वो है फ्लिपकार्ट में.
Okay.
Yeah, I have been deceived many times.
Okay.
Many times. The sellers over there are sending you fake products many times. Once I had ordered a book from it.
Hmm.
The book was not brand new.
Hmm. Okay.
आजकल बहुत सारी बुक्स आपको सिग्नल्स पे जेरोक्स कॉपी करके हुए मिलेगी.
मिलते हैं,
डुप्लीकेट.
right.
Not duplicate means I don't have the exact word for it, but वो ओरिजिनल नहीं है, वो लोग जेरोक्स करके बेचते. So मुझे फ्लिपकार्ट से वो एक आया था. फिर ठीक है, वो तो मैंने बुक पढ़ लिया. So I didn't raise much hue and cry about it. Then the worst I faced was, I think 2 years back or something, about a nail color, which was the OPI. वो टाइम में OPI nail colors अपने यहाँ कोई किधर भी नहीं मिलते थे, खाली फ्लिपकार्ट पे थे. So okay, fine. And they were offering good discount and it was only prepaid. मैंने सोचा ठीक है यार, it's something that I like, let's go for it.
Okay.
I was surprised to see that instead of OPI, मुझे कोई भलती ही brand भेजी गई.
Okay.
But it was a deliberate cheating from the seller because the shade was exactly what I had ordered. It was not mistake होती है, वो अलग चीज है. It was a gray shade. I had ordered a gray shade of OPI. What I received was also gray, but itna kuch. And this is something which is not returnable. So I had to literally fight with them. बहुत चला. They said, okay, this is a wrong thing. We are taking back the product and we are sending you. You won't believe what I was delivered again. The bottle was OPI. अंदर था पानी.
Oh God. Cheating.
So these are also, there are cheating, deliberate cheating. And after that, when I went, I clicked it and who that seller was. See, Flipkart पे Flipkart तो नहीं बेच रहा है ना, उनके पास तो दुनिया भर के sellers हैं. So वो seller के नीचे जब मैंने reviews, so there was one lady who had written about the kajal that she ordered, और अंदर से निकला ही नहीं kajal.
Oh.
There were 3 people. It is my mistake that day. I don't know how I missed that. I didn't check the seller. Otherwise, I would have not bought that product from that seller. All those who had bought had mentioned in it that that seller is a fraudulent seller.
Right.
So all these things happen. वो चीजें होती रहती है, तो थोड़ा तो हमें रिस्क लेना पड़ता है. But then you learn your lessons also.
Right. So overall, this online thing is an amazing platform for people to go out, shop.
Yes,
and
yes.
It just saves their time and money also. Great discount.
Now today for a person like me, the bookstores are not open. Crossword is not yet open. How do I survive? I can't live without a day without reading. So who is helping me? Amazon.
Absolutely.
Amazon is delivering me the best of books. And the Kindle is also there. Kindle also, you have to purchase from Amazon only. So it is becoming, life has become so easy.
Yeah.
It has become so easy. Yeah. अभी आपको suppose आपके बच्चे के लिए आपको suppose raincoat चाहिए, आपको गम शूज बूट्स चाहिए, कुछ भी चाहिए. इतने सारे शॉप्स खुले नहीं है. ये कोरोना वायरस के सिचुएशन में आपको बाहर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप बैठ के टाइप करो, फाइंड आउट करो, see, compare the prices. Whatever you like, it just order. And of course, I will say one thing, always see the return exchange policy, unless you are very sure. अगर आपको मालूम है कि ये आपका साइज है इस ब्रांड में और आपको वो लेना ही है, तो forget it. आपको मालूम है आपको रिटर्न करने की कोई जरूरत कभी पड़ेगी ही नहीं. Then it is fine. But if you are not sure, then please see the return exchange period or the return exchange policy and then buy. And make your life easy. And in this situation, it's better. Malls kabhi khulenge, stores, individual stores khul gaye hai. but crowd होने की जगह, isn't it good enough that you get it right to your doorstep?
Absolutely, it's very safe,
Yeah.
hygienic, and yeah, you just don't need to.
I don't
And again,
remember, but one.
yeah,
tell me.
again, when the monsoon season is arriving here in Maharashtra and many other states in India, I think it's best to stay home and just get your things done at home itself.
Yeah. Can you imagine Amazon is delivering you ice cream?
No, I didn't know about
You don't
it.
even have to go to an ice cream parlor to order an ice cream. They'll deliver you that also. That is
Right.
so convenient. This is all so easy.
Absolutely.
So go for it. It is not wrong. Nothing is wrong in it. There are certain people who are very scared, but there is nothing to be scared. You just little knowledge. That's
Right.
it. Fine.
So thank you, ma'am, for your precious time and beautiful knowledge of online shopping. It was really very enlightening. This session was amazing, and I really thank you for coming up on my channel one more time and sharing your beautiful knowledge here.
Thank you, Vaishali. And I hope I have been helpful to the viewers. And if there are any questions on anything, please pass on to me.
Yes,
we'll do that.
Absolutely. Friends, आपको ये सेशन कैसा लगा आप हमारे कमेंट सेक्शन में जाके बता सकते हैं, और अगर आपको मैम से कोई क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं या हमारी कोई हेल्प चाहिए ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग के लिए, तो आप हमारे FB पेज पे हैप्पी घर के पेज पर आप जाके कमेंट्स कर सकते हैं, या हमारे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी आप इन वेबसाइट्स को देख सकते हैं. Thank you very much.
Yeah, if there are any questions, please let me know. I will definitely try to answer them as much as I have the knowledge about it.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you all the viewers.
Thank you, Vaishali.